This building copied termites and cut its cooling energy by about 90%. Some African termite mounds grow as tall as a 2-story house. Inside, termites farm a fungus that survives only within a narrow temperature range, even while the outside temperature changes dramatically. Their secret is a maze of tunnels and vents. As warm air rises and escapes, cooler air is drawn through the mound, helping regulate the temperature. The termites even open and seal tiny passages to fine-tune the airflow, like living engineers. In the 1990s, architect Mick Pearce used this natural design to create the Eastgate Centre in Harare, Zimbabwe, reducing the building's energy needed for climate control by about 90%. Millions of years before humans drew blueprints, termites had already mastered climate control. Sometimes nature isn't waiting for science to discover it, it's waiting for us to notice.